Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of One to Step. Today, I'll be guiding you through how to log into your PayPal account. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in www.paypal.com and search. Doing this will take you to the official website of PayPal. Now, in order to log into your account, click on the login button in the upper right corner, and on the next page, you'll be able to see the login page. Enter your email address in the first text field that you see, and move on to the next field and type in your password for your account. If you want to double check your password, click on the show button at the right corner, and doing this will help you reveal your password before moving on. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on Forgot Password link right here below and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. If you don't have an account yet, you can click on the Sign Up option and create a new account for yourself. Once you have an account, enter the credentials and then click on Log In. Now you'll need to confirm it's you who's logging into your account by receiving a text message in the following mobile number. In order to receive it, click on Next. Wait for the security code to arrive. Soon after it does, you'll need to type in the code that has been sent to you. After you do that, click on Continue, and your identity has been confirmed. You have been successfully logged into your PayPal account with just a few simple steps. That is how you can log in. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.